Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Chris, and today I'm going grocery shopping. I heard about this place called Bargain Grocery. It's about an hour drive from me, but I hear they have some really good deals, and you never know what you're gonna get because they get new stuff in, and when it's gone, and then they get more stuff and more stuff. So it's always a mystery what you're gonna find there. But I hear this is a place if you're looking for some deals. It's a non-for-profit, so all of the money that they make goes right back into the community. We're gonna go there and we're gonna see what we can find, and I might even do a grocery haul at the end of the video. So let's go. All right, check this out. This is crazy. Dave's Killer Bread for $1. Now Dave's Killer Bread usually goes for what, $5, $6 a loaf? This is not expired. This is still good. And the Heidelberg bread is $2.50 each. It's made semi-local and it's really good. Bananas. Now bananas, yeah, I love my bananas. So I found them 3 pounds for $1. So I grabbed a few of those. They were just ripe enough. I like it when they're all dotted up like that, perfect to freeze and make smoothies with. So I grabbed 3 of those. And then dragon fruit. Now dragon fruit is normally what, $10 where I live, and $1.50 here. Avocados, Florida avocados, of course, these are $1. A bag of oranges for $3. Now I found this, so I had to put the bananas back that I already grabbed because a whole case, 40 pounds worth of bananas for $10, that is a huge deal. I couldn't pass this deal up, so I looked for the best ones and then I grabbed a case. And the blueberries are only $1.49. That was a huge deal as well, so I grabbed one of those. Cauliflower, again, only $1. Had to grab some of those. And these cucumbers looked amazing, so 3 for $1 for these locally grown cucumbers. I grabbed a bag of those, and then I moved on to the refrigerated section. CC's Veggie Noodles, only $1. I don't know how good these are. I think I've tried them before in the past, but don't remember. I was excited to find this very vanilla Soy Milk by Silk. I talked about this recently. It just disappeared where I was from and I couldn't find it anymore, but it was my favorite milk and I found it again. Hodo Soy makes my favorite tofu, and they had some yuba noodles there. I found the Quaker oat beverage and the Planet oat milk. So we had a selection of different kind of oat milks there. Kombucha, if you are into kombucha, for $1.89. And then these juices for $1. And sometimes juices go for what, up to $10, $12, $13. So that was a huge deal. Sabra hummus for only $2, and this is the big container. Different vegan cheeses. I was surprised to find some Good Planet cheddar here, so I grabbed that, only $2.50. And they had tree line and this Tio. This is a cold soup, and these were only 75 cents. Kite Hill chive cream cheese, and then Ezekiel bread for only $3. Now that's another bread that's really expensive normally. Gardein. This is $3. I don't know how much of a deal this actually is, but I've never had it before, so I threw it in the cart. And then these potato Knishes, only $1. I figured, what the heck. Now I just want you to know, when I filmed this video, it was July 25th. So these were not expired. Nothing here was expired. And some of these bargain stores do have expired food, but this one, nothing was expired. Tofu scramble burrito for $1.50. That was a deal if you want to throw that in the microwave or oven real quick in the morning. And then the Gardein skillet meals, only $3 for those. I haven't had them, so I threw that in there as well. And the tofu scramble by Amy's, this was $3. Not sure how much of a deal that is, but they do have it. And they have the Kashi black bean mango bowl for $3. I don't think this was too good of a deal, but it is vegan. Ew, mushrooms. Holistic Garden vegan Halo dog food for only $6. That is a deal right there, guys. And these Sunrise cereal for $3.50. This is a big bag, by the way. You can't really tell, but it is a big bag. And it is certified vegan right there. And the Clip Kid organic bars, these are also vegan for $2.75. Not sure how much of a deal that is, but it's not overly expensive. Coconut jerky for $2.99. The double chocolate chip cookies for Obos. Now these are $19 a case, but they're pretty expensive. and they're pretty good too. Veggie pasta chips. I ended up grabbing these. These are 99 cents, spinach, broccoli, kale. They are vegan, certified vegan. I didn't like them. And they also had the pasta chips that were the rosemary ones. I think that I would probably like these ones better, but I didn't buy those ones. So they are vegan though. As you can see, the little V for vegan. And then we move over to the ice cream. Steve's chocolate salty caramel. These pint of ice creams were only 99 cents. And even though I was an hour away, I still grabbed a few just because. Halo Top, $3.60. Ben & Jerry's peanut butter half baked. They had some of everything there, and I was surprised to find all this vegan ice cream. They had the Target brand, and of course, Vegan Rob's. Not shying away from putting vegan right on the name brand. I love it. Only 50 cents. Glutino gluten-free cookies for $2.50. A better option than Oreo, and just as tasty. A multi-pack of almonds, and then some more vegan milk. We got the Rice Dream, which is one of my favorites, for only $1.75. Star Wars Space Punch. I just found it as a collector's item. I gave to my brother-in-law. And this was my cart full of stuff. Such a deal. All right, grocery outlet. I got all of this here for 50 bucks. Let's see what we have. We have a ton of bananas. This is like a whole case of bananas. I'm going to put those in the freezer so I can make my smoothies with them. And they're perfect because usually when I get them like this, they're already too ripe, but they're perfect. I can leave some of them out and let them ripen, and then the other ones I'll just freeze. And then we have some of this Tio. I think I tried this at one of the veg fests I was at in Montreal, but this is like a cold soup drink, like a gazpacho, I think. For those 75 cents each, we have the Gin Jan Ginger Pineapple Lemon Vanilla, and this is a juice that was only $1. These normally sell for up to $14. I don't know if that particular brand is, but the Living Juice, 100% cold pressed, fresh start. We have lemon, ginger, apple, and this one was also $1. So I grabbed those. Hodo Soy, which makes my favorite tofu. They have their Yuba noodles there, $1.79. That's really cheap, so I grabbed one of those. Amy's Burrito, it was the only one they had there that was vegan, $1.50. That's a deal. This is a tofu scramble for a breakfast burrito. Vegan Rob's cauliflower puffs. These taste like cheese puffs, and they're a lot better for you, but they are a processed food, and they are vegan, and they're only 50 cents. So I grabbed a bunch of those. I grabbed the veggie pasta chips. Never had these. This is spinach, broccoli, kale, and these were only 99 cents. Blueberries, you can't go wrong. $1.49 for a thing of blueberries, so I grabbed blueberries and also blackberries. A thing of oranges for $2 to $2.99. I got a cauliflower for $1. We'll make something with that. A whole thing of basil. I think this was $1. And then the cucumbers. These are like local grown cucumbers. So next time I'll bring my own bag because I wasn't sure. I've never been here before. Not sure what to expect. So Coy Hill, $1.99. And then the bread, I'm most excited about these breads because Dave's Killer Bread, as you all know, is very expensive. It's probably like $5 or $6 for a loaf, but these were only $1 a loaf, and I got 4 loaves of Dave's Killer Bread. We got the organic, good seed, the 21 whole grains with seeds, and the power seed. And then I also got a Heidelberg wheated 12 grain. This was $2, but this is more locally made there, so they probably sell out fast because they have really good bread. Gardein bowl, Italian sausage and pasta. This was $3. I don't know how much of a deal this was. It's a lot cheaper than they are in the store, but I've never had this before, so I got this just simply to taste test. And then I was just talking about this in my live stream. This used to be my favorite vegan milk, the Silk Soy Milk, very vanilla. And then I thought they stopped making it, but apparently they didn't. I just never found it in any of the stores I live near. But they had it there. It was $2.50, so I grabbed it to see if I haven't had this in years, so I want to see if it still holds up to my taste. And then also we have Planet Oat Milk. I don't see this in many places. I think I've seen it at a couple stores, but nowhere where I usually shop. I don't even really remember what it tastes like, but I know I had it at one of the expos. This was only $1.50, no sugar added. This is extra creamy original with the vitamins A and D. So if it's good tasting and I like it, that's a huge deal. And then we had this. I don't know. I got the dogs below here doing their little doggy stuff. We got potato Knishes, and I just pretty much got these to try them out. I'm going to a family party tomorrow, so I'm gonna bring some of this junk food with me for them. But these, I couldn't pass these up. These are certified vegan, and they are only $1. Also, we got the Gardein skillet meals. This is chicken fiesta. I haven't had these either. I know they've been out for a while, and this was only $3. I think this was more of a deal because you get more in it, and these usually go for a lot more money than that. So that was a deal. Hopefully it tastes as good as all of their other products. I'll try that out. And then we have Steve's chocolate salty caramel, which I have to put in the freezer because it's getting really soft. I did try this many years ago somewhere in Northern California, but I don't really remember what it tastes like. I just remember Steve's was vegan ice cream, so I'm excited to taste that. I actually got this for my mom, the peanut butter half baked by Ben & Jerry's. I couldn't pass these up. These are pints and they're only 99 cents. This entire haul was only $50, and huge discounts, huge bargain at Grocery Outlet. It's an all non-for-profit, so all the profits go back into the community, and this was my first time there, so I'll definitely be going back. It's worth the drive. It's a bit of a ways from my house, but all in all, I think I saved a lot of money on everything here. And there's a lot of other things, like I had some friends go there before and tell me that there was huge bags of carrots, which I could juice and give to the dogs and cook with and stuff like that for really cheap. So I'm excited for all these bananas here. I'm gonna go put these away. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it that thumbs up and hit the bell so you don't miss notifications. And stay safe, watch out for zombies, and I'll see you guys next time.